In this session of relation functions, concepts are being cleared on all these topics through illustrations taken from JEE Main PYQs 2026. If any doubt, please comment. Let's move further. Question is, let A be the set of first 100 terms of an AP, whose first term is 1, common difference is 5. And let B be the set of first 71 terms of an AP, whose first term is 9, common difference 7. Then the number of elements in A intersection B which are divided by 3 is. 4 options are given to one of the options is correct. Question is taken from JEE Main 2026. Concept applicable in solution. एक AP है, B AP है, देन हमने A इंटरसेक्शन B सेट निकालना। इसमें फर्स्ट टर्म दे रखी है 1, कॉमन डिफरेंस 5. फर्स्ट टर्म 9, कॉमन डिफरेंस 7. Number of terms 101, and number of terms in this case is 71. 71. First of all, we find the sub A. A is 1 plus n minus 1. 101 term है minus 1 into D is 5. That comes out to be 1 plus 500, that is 501. So last term will be 501. तो set A क्या बना हमारा 1, 6, 11, 16, 501. Total number of terms will be total number of terms 501. Total number of terms 101. Similarly, we can find set B. इसमें Tn equal to होगा first term is 9 plus 77 minus 1 into D 7. 9 plus this comes out 76 into 7. 9 plus 42. This is common difference is 7. Total number of terms are 71. 71 is the number of terms. 71. So this will become 70. So this comes out 049. That is 499. So last term will be 499. So this comes out to be set B will be from first term is 9, 16. Next इसमें ऐड हो जाएगा कॉमन डिफरेंस 7, 23 up to 499. Now set A is known, set B is known, first term is known, second is known. Further, according to question, we have to find the number of elements in A intersection B which are divisible by 3. Now, our target to first find the number of elements in A intersection B. Set A intersection B. Common difference will be LCM of 5 and 7. That is 35. Right? Then In this case, first term is set A में common term क्या है हमारी 9, 16. 16 is the first term. 16 is the first term. 16 इसमें 35 ऐड कीजिए. 35 ऐड करेंगे तो क्या आएगा इसका आंसर? That will come out to be 35, 16, 151 and up to. तो इसकी जो लास्ट टर्म है, लास्ट टर्म शुड बी लेस देन इक्वल टू 14, 499. लास्ट टर्म क्योंकि ये एक टर्म ये है 501, एक टर्म है 499, तो लास्ट टर्म शुड बी लास्ट टर्म. तो इसकी जो जनरल टर्म बनेगी Tn विल बी इक्वल टू 16 प्लस 35 minus 1, 16 plus n minus 1 into 35. That is 16 plus 35n minus 35. This comes out to be 35n minus 16. 35n minus 19. ये 10 बन गई. This is the nth term of A intersection B. This is the nth term of A intersection B. Now, according to question, A intersection B में क्या होना चाहिए? 35n minus 19 should be less than 4, 9 or greater than equal to 16. On simplification, we get 14 point n equal to 14.8, n equal to 14, means set A intersection B will contain 14 elements. Will contain 14 elements. Now, further, according to question, we have to find the number of elements in A intersection B which are divisible by 3. Up to now, we have find out number of elements in A intersection B. There is a 14. But we have to find out of 14 elements which are divisible by 3. Number of elements in A intersection B which are divisible by 3 means set A is an AP whose common difference is 35. 35 into 3. 105 should be common difference for divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Right? Now we have to choose first element. To choose first element, in this case, this is 51. 16, 51 आगे देखते हैं, इसमें देखते हैं 16. 16 के बाद आएगा 16, 5 common difference. 21, 26, 31, 21, 5, 26, 26, 5, 31, 31, 5, 36, 41, 46, 51. First element will be 51. First element will be 51. So, set of elements which are divisible by 3 in A intersection B। 51 पहली टर्म होगी, कॉमन डिफरेंस निकल के आया 105। 105 इसमें ऐड कर दीजिए, दैट इज 156। अब मैक्सिमम लिमिट क्या है? इट शुड बी लेस देन 499। 56 261 हो जाएगा, नेक्स्ट 366 हो गया, नेक्स्ट 471 हो गया। तो नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स are 5 which are divisible by 3 in A intersection B। Correct answer is B is the correct answer. Right? Next question. Question is, let A is this, B is this. Then you have to opt one of the correct answer. Now, mod of x square minus 10 less than or equal to 6. This is given to you. In equation, we have already discussed all in equations types, which you can go through YouTube channel Statistics Learn. In this case, this can be written as x square minus 10, 6 minus 6. On simplification, x square less than 16, that is 4. Means x की जो वैल्यू आएंगी, एक ये इन इक्वेशन है, एक ये इक्वेशन है, x square greater than equal to 4 and x square less than equal to 16. गोली कॉन्सेप्ट, greater of outside less for inside। तो ये लाइन बनेगी हमारी लाइक दिस, -4 +4, यानी कि x less than 4 greater equal to -4। This is -4, this is +4। इसके अकॉर्डिंगली we move in this side, we move in this side, and in this case x less than equal to 2, x greater than equal to 2 or x less than equal to -2. Then -2, this is closed interval, this is closed interval, this is closed interval, and +2। इसके अकॉर्डिंगली आउटसाइड, ये इसके लिए हो गया, ये इसके लिए हो गया। तो कंक्लूजन विल बी सेट ए x belongs to -4 -2 union 2 4। this is set A, right? To find set B, mod x minus 2 greater than 1, ये ओपन इंटरवल के साथ रहेगा, मीन्स x minus 2 greater than 1 और x minus 2 less than -2। ये निकल के आया x greater than 3 और x less than 1, x greater than 3 and less than 1, x greater than 3 or less than 1, means this is 1 open interval, this is 3, either go this side or go this side। Now we have to conclude the answer between ये set B हो गया, ये set B हो गया। To conclude it, you will see that B minus A is the correct answer। I am assuming that you know what is A union B, B minus A minus B, intersection B। So B minus A is the correct answer। Question is, consider the relation on the set -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 defined by AB belongs to RF and only F। We have to satisfy this condition, 1 plus AB is greater than 0। The among the statements, the number of relation in R is 17, R is an equivalent relation। We have to choose one of the correct option। Question is taken from JEE Main 2000 26. Concept of equivalence solution. A cross -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Cross -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. This is all. इसका कार्डिनल प्रोडक्ट बनाया और pick up the pairs only which satisfy the condition. -2, -2, -2, -1, -2, 0, -2, 1 and -2, 2. Condition is 1 plus AB greater than 0. ये A है, ये B है. So this is correct. -2. In this case, this is A, this is B. AB. This is correct. Then 1 plus AB. ये 0 हो गया. Greater than 0. Correct. Then 1 minus 2 नेगेटिव आ गया, ये नहीं होगा. -2, 2, 0. -2 AB, AB. -4, this is wrong. इस रो में आ गए 3 एलिमेंट्स. सिमिलरली -1, -2, -1, -1, -1, 0, -1, 1, -1, 2. इस केस में चेक कर लीजिए कितने आएंगे. 1 plus AB, ये A है, ये B है. तो दिस इज द करेक्ट वन. This is the correct one. Then this is correct one. This is wrong. This is wrong. 3 elements इसमें आ गए. Third row. 0 minus 2, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. इस केस में all 5 will be there. All 5 will be there. Similarly, 1, 2 से 5 बनाएंगे and 2 minus 2 से 5. इसमें सेलेक्ट हो गया आएगा 3. इसमें सेलेक्ट हो गया आएगा 3. I have discussed the methodology. You can make the cardinal product and satisfy this condition. Satisfy this condition. So number of relations हो गए 17 numbers. For equivalence relation, what is the condition? Reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. From the reflexive means ARA. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 like this. Symmetric में if AB then BA. If you observe -1, 2 तो 2 minus 1 will be available. ठीक है. So it is reflexive as well as symmetric. Relation is reflexive as well as symmetric, but not transitive. Not transitive. Transitive में क्या होता है? If A are B and B are C, then A are C. That is a transitive. Right? So I have relieved for this. I can do also to save the time. लंबा क्वेश्चन ना हो जाए. I have clear discuss the procedure. Do it yourself. Right? Next question. Question इसका correct answer होगा. Only one is true. Right? Next question. Question is the number of relations defined in the set A, B, C, D, which are both reflexive and symmetric is equal to, its answer is oral, can be given in 5 seconds. 2 की power n minus 1 by 2. Here n is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 की power 4 into 3 divided by 2. 2 की power 6, that is 64. This is the answer. But I will explain in detail also. Reflexive means reflexive. जस्ट आप यहीं से चेक कराते पहले एक 4x4 की मैट्रिक्स बनाइए. 2-3 मेथड है इसको करने के. A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34, A41, A42, A43, A44. These are the main diagonal elements. Main diagonal elements. These are main diagonal. Means AA, BB, CC, DD. It is one way. One way. Our remaining are A21, A12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are 6 elements. These are 6 elements. Upper diagonal elements. 6. So pair क्या हो सकता है? A12, A21. It can be selected in 2 ways into 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 2 ways. 6 हो गए. 2 की power 6, that is 64. By FPC of multiplication. FPC of multiplication. By FPC of multiplication means it should be reflexive as well as symmetric. Reflexive का one way into 2 की power 6 ही हो गए. So this comes out to be 64. A option is the correct answer. 6 pairs कौन कौन से बनेंगे? AB, BA, AC, CA, AD, DA. Then BC, CB, BD, DB, and ABCC. One रहेगा 1, 2, AB, BC, CD, BC, BC, CD, CD, DC. So this or this two ways, two ways, two ways, two ways, two ways, two ways. So by FPC multiplication 2 की power 6, that is 64. तो सिमेट्रिक के लिए और ट्रांजिटिव के लिए मैट्रिक्स स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स बनेगी डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स में. जो इसके ऊपर वाले हैं उसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन 2 की पावर दैट कर दीजिए. 2 की पावर 6, दैट विल द आंसर. और डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला हमारा 2n minus 1 divided by 2. That is the answer. Right. Next question. Question is, let A equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Let have the relation A defined by x or y if and only if relation की condition given है 2x should be less than 3y. Let I be the number of elements in R and M be the minimum number of elements required to be added in the R to make it symmetric. Then we have to find the sum of L plus M. 4 options are given to you. One of the option is correct. A cross A. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. इनका क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट लिया हमने. कंडीशन ऑफ रिलेशन इज Now relation is 2x should be less than equal to 3y. Means total number of order pairs will be there 5 into 5, 25. Out of 25, we have to pick up the elements which are satisfying this condition. So at x equal to 2, we make the order pairs 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2, 9. चेक, ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होती है, उसको टिक कर दो. 2, 2, 4, 6, करेक्ट. दिस इज करेक्ट. ये डेफिनेटली करेक्ट होगा. बहुत ग्रेटर तो ये, तो इसमें आ गया 5. एट एक्स इक्वल टू 2 पे था ये. एक्स इक्वल टू 2, एक्स इक्वल टू 3 पे देख लीजिए. 3, 2, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7, 3, 9. इस पे क्या बनेगा? 2x 6 एंड दिस इज 6 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू. ये करेक्ट है, ये भी करेक्ट आएगा. 2, 3 and this is 2. This is 3, 3. Yes, 3, 3. This will be correct. इसमें 3, 3 correct. This will be 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. This is 3, 5. जिसका y ग्रेटर है वो तो करेक्ट हो गई होगा. करेक्ट. इसमें 5 आ गए कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करते हुए. x इक्वल टू 5, x इक्वल टू 7, x इक्वल टू 9. सिमिलरली हम चूज करेंगे इसमें. x इक्वल टू 3 में 5, 5, 5, 7 एंड 5, 9. लेस वाले नहीं आएंगे. फॉर इक्वल दिस, तो इसमें हो गया 3. एक्स इक्वल टू 7 में एक्स इक्वल टू 5, 7, 9. 7 में आ जाएंगे 7, 5, 7, 5 में देखें 14, 15. करेक्ट. 7, 5, देन 7, 7, देन 7, 9. बाकी रिजेक्ट हो जाएंगे. इसमें 3 आ गए. एक्स इक्वल टू 9 में एक्स इक्वल टू 9 में देखिए इसमें आएंगे 9, 7 एंड 9, 9. बाकी सब रिजेक्ट हो जाएंगे. सेटिस्फाई दिस कंडीशन. इसमें हो गए 2. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स satisfying the condition 2x plus 3y, it comes out to be 5, 10, 16, 18 numbers. 18 numbers. Right. Now to check for symmetric. Symmetric के लिए 2, 5 पे हमें एक ऐड करना पड़ेगा 5, 2. 2, 5 पे 5, 2. 2, 7 पे ऐड करना पड़ेगा 7, 2. 2, 9 पे 9, 2. ये ऐड करना पड़ेगा. देन 3, 2, 2, 3 3, 3, 3, 5 पे 5, 3 ऐड करना पड़ेगा. 3, 5 पे 5, 3 ऐड करना पड़ेगा. 5, 3. 3, 7 पे 7, 3 है. 3, 7, 3, 7. ये 5. दिस इज 5. दिस इज 5. 3, 7 पे 7, 3 ऐड करना पड़ेगा. 7, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. देन 5, 5, 5, 7 7 5 5 9 5 9 पे 9 5 6 हो गए 1 2 3 4 5 6 and one pending 3 9 3 9 का 9 3 9 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 means to make relation symmetric to make relation symmetric 7 elements are to be added as shown above means symmetric में क्या होता है A R B then B R A ये condition satisfy हो first of all we make the relation satisfying the given condition 2x less than equal to 3y उसमें हमारे 18 elements आ गए next part was to make it symmetric in this condition फिर वो condition को हम नहीं check करेंगे we will make the ARB and BRA उसमें 7 elements add करना है total number of elements L plus M 18 plus 7 that is 25 is the answer let's check it C is the correct answer question is the number of functions f1 2 3 4 to abc so this is function A this is function A to B which are not on to 4 options are given to one of the option is correct not on to means not on to means into means at least one of the element of B should be unoccupied that is at least one element of B should not have its preimage that is range is not equal to codomain right now in this case this is given to 1 2 3 4 A में एलिमेंट्स कितने हो गए 4 B में हो गए 3 so number of on to functions will be number of not on to functions will be equal to BC1 B minus 1 की पावर A minus BC2 B minus 2 की पावर A BC1 B minus 1 की पावर A BC2 B minus 2 की पावर A plus till we get 1 so B in this case is 3C1 into 3 minus 1 2 की पावर 4 minus BC2 3C2 B minus 1 1 की पावर 4 1 आ गया यहीं पे स्टॉप कर दिया आगे सिंप्लीफाई कर दिया 3 into 48 3 into 16 minus 3 that is 48 minus 3 that is 45 number is the correct answer right next question the question is for the function f 1 to infinity to 1 to infinity, defined by fx equal to f of x minus 1 given 4 plus 4 among the two statements. The set S f equal to f inverse x contains exactly two elements. And second statement is fx equal to f of inverse x plus 1 is an empty set. We have to check which one is correct option. Concept applicable solution. For f inverse x equal to fx means y equal to fx. Fx is given to y equal to fx equal to x, that is x minus 1 to the power 4 plus 1 equal to x. This comes out to be x minus 1 to the power 4 plus 1 minus x equal to 0. X minus 1 taken common, remaining is x minus 1 to the power 3 minus 1 equal to 0. Then x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1, or x minus 1 to the power 3 equal to 1. Then x minus 1 equal to 1, x equal to 2. Means x equal to 1 and 2. Two elements are there. In this case, exactly contains exactly two elements. Yes, it is first statement is true. Now, to check for second statement. To check for second statement, fx equal to x minus 1 to the power 4 plus 1, and also to f of inverse x plus 1 equal to fx. We have to check this to f of inverse x plus 1 equal to fx. Then fx is this, so y equal to x minus 1 to the power 4 plus 1. So x minus 1 to the power 4 equal to y minus 1. Then x minus 1 equal to y minus 1 to the power 1 by 4. X equal to y minus 1 to the power 4 plus 1. So this is f of inverse y equal to y minus 1, 4 plus 1. That is f of inverse x equal to x minus 1, 4 plus 1. Now, according to question, f of inverse x plus 1 equal to fx. Then x minus 1 to the power 1 by 4 plus 1 f of inverse x plus 1 चाहिए, x रिप्लेस कर दो x plus 1 से, तो ये होगा x plus 1 minus 1, x की पावर 1 by 4 plus 1 equal to fx. Fx is given to x minus 1 की power 4, x minus 1 की power 4 plus 1. This is goes. So x minus 1 की power 4 equal to x की power 1 by 4. So it is not an empty set. We will get certain values. Therefore, it is false. It is false. Statement 1 is true. Statement 2 is false. Both are true. Neither one or not true. Only 2 is true. A is the correct option. Right? Next question. Question is, let for some alpha belongs to R, f R to R be a function satisfying fx plus y equal to fx plus 2y square plus y plus alpha xy for all x y belongs to R. f0 equal to minus 1, f1 equal to 2, then value of this we have to find it out. Four options are given to, one of the options is correct. According to question, fx plus y equal to fx plus 2y square plus y plus alpha xy. f0 given हमें -1, f1 given हमें 2. Now to find fx plus y equal to 0, f0 plus y, fy equal to f0 plus 2y square plus y plus 0. f0 is -1 plus 2y square plus y, fy equal to आ गया 2y square plus y minus 1. Therefore fx भी होगा, fn भी होगा, that is 2n square plus n minus 1. Right? Now f1 plus 1 to find alpha. F1 plus f1 plus 2 plus 1 plus alpha into 1 into 1 equal to f2. 1 plus f2 होगा. f1 is 2. 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus alpha equal to f2. fn given हमें. fn is 2n square plus n minus 1. 2n square plus n minus 1. 2n square plus n minus 1. That is f2 will be equal to 2 into 4 plus 2 minus 1, 9. So 5 plus alpha equal to 9, alpha equal to 4. Alpha equal to 4. Now to find value of summation n equal to 1 to 5, alpha plus fn, alpha की value 4 plus 2n square plus n minus 1, summation n equal to 1 to 5. On simplification, 2n square plus n plus 3, summation n equal to 1 to 5. So twice s2 plus s1 plus 3n. That is twice n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6 plus s1, n plus 1 divided by 2 plus 3n. Substituting n equal to 5. On substitution, we get, on substitution and simplification, we get n equal to 140. We get n equal to, value of this equal to 140. That is the answer. Let's check the correct answer. B is the correct answer. तो स्टेप्स इसमें रहे, पहले फाइंड fn कीजिए, fn फाइंड आउट करने के बाद फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ अल्फा, fn फाइंड आउट करने के बाद इसको एक्सपेंड किया, फिर s2 सम ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर, s1 सम ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स एंड उसमें वैल्यूज पुट कर दी, वी गेट द फाइनल आंसर. इन दिस सेशन वी हैव गॉन थ्रू these topics. If any doubt, please comment. Further, we are going to discuss on these topics. If any doubt, again requested, please comment. Being very important, it is requested go through the session completely. इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद colleagues and friends. Now let's move further. Question is, let the domain of the function, this is one function and this function. One is logarithmic function, one is inverse trigonometric function. Then we have to find the value of alpha beta. Four options are given to, one of the option is correct. In this case, first of all, I define domain is set of all values of x for which function is defined. And if y equal to fx, log of fx, it is defined if fx is greater than 0. Our log starts from here. Log starts from here. Means log of 5, 7 minus log of 2, x square minus 10x plus 85. इसके लिए fx हो गया ना ये, it is fx for this. This should be greater than 0. Means 7 minus log of 2, x square minus 10x plus 85 greater than 5 की power 0, that is 1. Now rearranging, this is 7 minus, so log of 2 x square minus 10x plus 85. इसको इधर शिफ्ट किया, ये इधर आया, तो दिस विल बिकम लेस देन 6. That is antilog x square minus 10x plus 85 less than 2 की पावर 6. इन इक्वेशन साइन चेंज होता जब यहां बेस लेस देन 1 होता. Base will not change. That is 64. Now, x square minus 10x plus 85 minus 64 less than 0. On further simplification, x square minus 10x plus 85, that is 21 less than 0. X minus 7, x minus 3 less than 0. ये सिंप्लीफाई कर गया, x belongs to open interval 3, 7. This is domain of part 1. This domain of this part is 1. Now we have to find the domain of sine of inverse x. Now to find the domain of sine of inverse mod, that is 3x minus 7, 17 minus x. 3x minus 7, 17 minus x. As we know, sine inverse x domain है x less than equal to 1 greater than equal to minus 1. This is, now in this case, 3x minus 7, 17 minus x, 1 by 1 ले लीजिए. 3x minus 7 upon 17 minus x minus 1. तो 3x minus 7, ये इसको इधर शिफ्ट किया, प्लस 17 minus x upon 17 minus x equal to 0. Then this comes out to be 2x plus 14 upon x minus 17. X common negative चेंज हो जाएगा. In this case, minus 7 and 17. Minus 7, x belongs to minus 7 and 17. एक पार्ट ही आ गया. Second part में this comes out to be minus 7 and this will be 10. this will be 10 minus 5 and this will be 10 minus 5. In this case, 3x minus 7 upon 17 minus x less than equal to 1. 3x minus 7 minus 17 plus x divided by 17 minus x less than 0. Then on simplification, this comes out to be 4x minus 24 upon x minus 17 0. x कॉमन नेगेटिव साइड में मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया x इक्वल टू 6 आया आउटसाइड रहेगा 6 and 17 6 and 17 6 and 17 इधर और इधर माइनस इंफिनिटी प्लस इंफिनिटी अब इन दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन निकालेंगे टू फाइंड द डोमेन to find the domain intersection of this will be इधर जाएंगे कब तक जाएंगे -5 and 6 -5 and 6 x will belong to -5 and 6. This is equation 2. Equation 1 is this one. Common of these will be one है हमारा x belongs to 3 7 this one. So common will be 3 6 3 6 that is equal to alpha beta. So alpha equal to 3 beta equal to 6 alpha plus beta equal to 9. That is our answer. Again repeating the concept. Here two functions are given to you. One is log function, one is sine of inverse function. Log function, log is defined only for positive real number. That so starting हमारे यहाँ से this should be greater than, उसको simplify करते sin inverse x डोमेन होती है x should be belongs to the -1 to 1 close interval. उसको simplify करते हुए दो आंसर निकल के आए. दो आंसर निकलने के बाद हमने उसको कंक्लूड किया. कंक्लूड करने के बाद दोनों 1 और 2 में जो कॉमन है वो निकाल दिया. तो वो निकालने के बाद हमारा जो आंसर है अल्फा प्लस बीटा इक्वल टू 9. लेट्स चेक द आंसर. बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question is sum of all elements in the range of signum sin x plus signum cos x plus signum tan x plus signum cot x, where x is not equal to n pi by 2 and belongs to z. Purpose of this is all functions are defined, where signum is defined like this. Answer is 1 if t greater than 0, answer is -1 if t less than 0. Four options are given, one of the option is correct. Signum function. Function domain is R and range is -1, 0, 1. Now, in the given question, it is sum of four functions. Signum sin x plus signum cos x plus signum tan x plus signum cot x. Now, before we start, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. All positive, sin and cosec positive, tan and cot positive, sec and cos positive. Now, if the x belongs to quadrant 1, then positive answer आएगा 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. और quadrant second है तो क्या आएगा? Sin positive positive, negative, 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 minus 2. Quadrant third में है तो 10 और positive, negative, negative, positive, positive, 0. And quadrant 4 है अगर तो cos and cos positive, so negative plus negative, negative, that is minus 2. Range of the function is, therefore, range of function is minus 2, 0 and 4. This is the range. ये तीन आंसर आएंगे. Therefore, sum, what we have to find it out? Sum of all the elements in the range of sum of all elements. So sum will be minus 2 plus 0 plus 4. That is 2 is the answer. Let's check. A is the correct option. Question is, if gx equal to 3x square plus 2x minus 3, f0 equal to minus 3 and 4 g f of x equal to 3x square minus 32x plus 72, then you have to find the value of fg2. 4 options are given to one of the options. Question is taken from JEE Main 2026. This question is based on composite functions. Composite functions. Composite function means f(of)(gx) means f(gx). In the function replace x by gx, we get f(of)(g's). Similar to g of fx, that is g f of x. Replace x by g fx in gx. These are the composite functions. Now, according to question, for g fx equal to given is 4g of 3x square minus 32x, 3x square minus 32x plus 72, f0 equal to minus 3 and gx equal to 3x square plus 2x minus 3. Gx equal to 3x square plus 2x, 3x square plus 2x minus 3. We have to find value of f of g2. We have to find its value. To find its value means g2. This is given to gx. So g2 क्या हो जाएगा? g2 will be replacing x by 2. 3 into 2 का square plus 2 into 2 minus 3. 12 plus 4 minus 3, that is 13. Means we have to find the value of f13. What will be our next step? To find fx. If fx is known, replace x by 13, we will get the answer. And what is the value where we have to use it? Where we have to use it? f0 equal to minus 13. Let us discuss further. We will explain in detail. Now, to find fx for g fx is given to you 3x square plus 2x minus 3. 3x square minus 32x, 3x square minus 32x plus 72. 3x square minus 32x plus 72. 4gfx. This is given to you. This is the composite function. Say this is equation 1. Now to find left hand side. 4gfx means in gx replacing x by fx. X by fx. Gx is 3x square. Gx is 3x square plus 2x minus 3. Then let fx equal to y. Then gfx, that is gy, equal to 3y square plus 2y minus 3. Then 4 of gfx, that is 4 of gy, equal to 12y square plus 24y, 8y, 8y minus 12. So the question 2. Now 1 according to question, 1 is equal to 2. 1 equal to 2. That is 12y square plus 8y minus 12 is equal to 3x square minus 32x. 3x square minus 32x plus 72. Now, as we have to find y equal to fx, find out करने हैं. So considering equation quadratic in y, then this comes out to be 12y square plus 8y minus, ये minus 84 हो जाएगा. So this comes out to be plus minus 3x square plus 32x minus 84 equal to 0. This comes out to be A, B, and this comes out to be C. Applying the formula minus B, y, that is equal to fx equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now substituting the values. On substituting the values, we get y, that is fx equal to minus b, that is minus 8 plus minus under root b square 64 minus 4ac, 4 into 12, 48 minus 3x square plus 32x minus 84 minus 32x minus 84 minus 84, yeah, upon 2a, that is 24. On further simplification, minus 8 plus minus under root 64. इसमें से हम कॉमन ले लेते हैं 16. 16 मीन्स 4 कॉमन आ गया, तो बचा 16 4 प्लस बचा ये 3 माइनस माइनस प्लस 9x स्क्वायर माइनस माइनस प्लस, तो 3 96x 6x. This was minus 32x plus का माइनस हो जाएगा. This will be minus and plus 3 24 250 4 से 12 8 24 और 25 on further simplification we get -8 plus -4 under root 3x माइनस ये 256 हो जाएगा 3x माइनस 8 का होल स्क्वायर बच जाएगा 24 दिस कम्स आउट टू बी -8 प्लस -4 अंडर रूट खत्म हो जाएगा 3x माइनस 8 अपॉन 24। स्टार्टिंग में मैंने पूछा था कि वेयर इट विल यूज f0 इक्वल टू -3। Here it will be utilized. Now this is fx, f0 निकाल लीजिए -8 प्लस -4 into 0 minus 8 divided by 24. So on simplification f0 32 how much is required? f0 plus -32 minus 80 3x minus 16 आएगा ये 3x minus 16 will be the square 3x minus 16 3x minus 16 60 to 72 minus 72 over 24 that is -3 means on considering positive sign we get f0 equal to -3. Therefore fx is -8 plus 4 3x minus 16 divided by 24. Therefore f13 that is fg2 ये आंसर आ जाएगा on simplification 13 put किया तो 7/2 will be the answer. Let's check the answer. 7/2 is the correct answer, right? Now I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel Set His Shift Learns, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.